Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Meta Horizon app not working, crashing or stuck on loading screen. Full fix guide. Fix 1. Update your device and the Meta Horizon app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Meta Horizon and install any available updates. Check for the system updates on your phone, Android, settings, system, software update, iPhone, settings, general, software update. Restart your device after updating. Fix 2. Restart and reinstall the app. Completely close the Meta Horizon app. Restart your phone. Open the app and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, uninstall the app. Download and install the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. Sign back into your Meta account. Fix 3. Clear cache and check storage. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Meta Horizon. Tap Storage and Cache. Select Clear Cache. Ensure your device has at least 1 to 2 GB of free storage space. Delete unnecessary files or apps if storage is low. Reopen the Meta Horizon app. Fix 4. Log out and log back in. Open the Meta Horizon app. Go to Menu, Settings, then Account. Tap Logout. Close the app completely. Reopen the app and sign in with your Meta account credentials. Check if the app loads normally. Fix 5. Contact Meta Support. If the app still won't work after all troubleshooting solutions, visit Meta Support. Provide details about your phone model and operating system. Explain whether the app crashes, freezes, or stays on a loading screen. Include screenshots if possible. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.